Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to create this makeup look. And this makeup look is inspired by these kinds of Pinterest baddie makeup look. So let's start with skin prep. I'm using this Quench Ultra Light Sunscreen. It's super easy to blend and gives you that glowing skin. So next I'm using this Hilary Rhoda Orange Corrector and applying where I have pigmentation. And then I'm blending it with my fingers. Next I'm using this Mars Concealer, which is exact my shade, and applying wherever I feel like there is a need to conceal. Next for foundation, I'm using this Pilgrim Serum foundation. It's super lightweight and easy to blend. Now applying concealer under my eyes, around my mouth and on my forehead to brighten up. Now blending everything using a damp beauty sponge. Then I'm using this contouring stick from Hilary Rhoda to sculpt my cheekbone, and then I'm using a brush to blend the contour upward. Now I'm setting my under eye with a loose powder which is from Inside Cosmetic. For defining my eyebrows, I'm using Inside Cosmetic eyebrow pencil, and then first I'm going to brush them and then I'm going to fill it. Now for that baddie eye makeup, I'm using this light brown shade from Mars Cosmetic, and then I'm using a medium brown shade from Hilary Rhoda palette. Now taking a dark brown shade from the same palette and blending on my eyelids. Now for eyeliner and kajal, I'm using this Glam 21 2-in-1 kajal and eyeliner. Here I'm literally struggling to make a perfect winged eyeliner. Now here I'm drawing an inner eyeliner. Now for nose contour, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetic 3-in-1 palette. And now from the same palette, I'm using the highlighter and applying on the tip of my nose and on the top of my cheekbone. Now applying some powder blush from the same palette. And for that baddie lips, I'm using this brown lip liner which is from Swiss Beauty. And now for lipstick, I'm using this nude shade from Swiss Beauty. Lastly, applying mascara which is from Swiss Beauty. And here's the final look: bold, confident, and it's giving a Pinterest baddie with a main character energy. So if you like this look, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel.